Hey guys, welcome back to Avery's Fun Time. I'm so sorry it's been a long time since I posted last. You know, this girl's been busy. But you know what? Since you've seen it from this title, we're opening up another Ipsy package. This is removed, for privacy reasons. But let's get started. Alright guys, so let's just open it up. There we go. Oh my gosh, I love the texture of this. And this is an Ipsy package, Ipsy purse or whatever. It includes makeup, 5 articles of makeup or nail polish or stuff like that, or skincare. Personalized, that's the word I was trying to find. Personalized and fit in a cute little bag. Sent in the mail for like, I don't know how much it is because I don't remember. But yeah, we've been doing this since like April. But I'm not sponsored. Awkward silence. But let's get into this cute little bag. That was satisfying. Alright, it always comes with this little thing here that tells you what's in it. There is some lip liner, a peel-off mask. I love peel-off masks. And I think chapstick. I don't know. We'll get into it. It says an ink.credible. Okay, I'll just let you guys see. Anyway, incredible jelly shot lip quencher in extra bench. I don't know if we'll open it though. Nails ink nail polish in feelings. Weird name, but okay. And a Suva Beauty eyeshadow in, I can't freaking read, in something. Last thing, right there. Number 5. But yes, I got 5 items in this cute, adorable package. So let's just get it out. Okay. I want to look at the lip quencher first. Oh my gosh, it's got a little flower in it. I don't know if you guys can see because of the lighting, but it's got a little flower in it and little gold things or something over there. It's clear. It's kind of like a little lip gloss. But it's clear. I really like this. So, next product. This is an adorable lip liner from Huda Beauty. Okay, gonna get demonetized here. It's a lip contour. Sorry. I like this. I like that color. Okay, next. This Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I love peel off masks. Oh my gosh, okay. There we go. I don't feel like opening it. Okay. It's okay. Anyway, this is a Suva Beauty eyeshadow. Coordinator. I don't know what the shade is, but I'm gonna call it white. That's not racist, by the way. I'm trying to open it. Anger issue. I have anger issues. That's okay. I love this. It's a cute little container. Yep. It's white. No. It's gold. I'm gonna name it gold. I think it's gold. I could also use it for a highlighter. You see that? You see that? Okay, and for the nail polish, ASMR. Okay, I really like the shade. Be your incredible self with nails dot ink. It's a pretty color. I like it. And so, that's all for tonight's video, or today, wherever, whatever it is, wherever you live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, babies. Or grown adults. I don't care.